Alright guys, so just got into the Fairmont Austin again. Pretty much the same exact room type as the last time I was here. It was a corner room that I got upgraded to. One thing that is different that I noticed though is this bathroom. First of all, the orientation is kind of messed up because now I'm on the other side of the hotel. So in the last room I was in, the bathroom was on this side. Now it's on this side, and same water closet, the same single sink, but now we have a shower, which is great. One of the complaints I had about the last room was that it had a bathtub, but now we have a shower. Fantastic. No rainfall shower head though, that's a shame. Come over here, we do have the Labo Rose 41 amenities, just great still. And pretty much everything else is the same. Trash can, which I did not find last time I was here. Took me a day or two to figure that out. Over here we have closet with robes. Never seen a vertical safe before, but my brick duffel bag. Oh, umbrella. It's cool. And this is a 2 queen bedroom. So yeah, this is literally the entire room. It's quite small, but that's all right. So 2 queen beds. I already messed this one up a little bit. I got lunch, even though it's already 5 p.m. now, but just got in from the bay, so it's about 2, and I'm hungry. Basic coffee setup here. It's an espresso machine with the pods, so that's nice. And they're actual Nespresso branded pods, I believe. Yeah, right there, espresso. So that's good, they're not cheaping out on that. Got your glassware. Over here, just empty drawers. And then here, if I remember, yep, mini bar. I don't even want to know what the prices are for that. Yeah, they gave me a little nice amenity kit. Or not amenity kit, welcome gift. The letter from the director of the guest experience, his business card. Yeah, I'm hungry, so I'm about to tuck in, but before that, I'm going to show you the view from the 36th floor. This is room 3629. It's quite nice. The pool's down here. That's last time I was here, I was on the 10th floor, directly above that pool. But now I'm on the 36th floor, and I got a far nicer view at the lake. Or not the lake, the river. So yeah,